Biodiversity is succession in the deep ocean. Vessels of the size, solar Francis, young and Kim, Peyton Cox, and Biodiversity. The focus of our topic is really the deep ocean hydrothermal vents, which were discovered in the mid to late 1970s, and they're located along the ocean floor. Most of these hydrothermal vents can be found along the mid-ocean ridge, which is sort of like an underwater mountain range, and this exists around 2,100 meters underwater, so the deep ocean. And they release superheated mineral-rich water that can reach up to 400 degrees Celsius. These hydrothermal vents form when the Earth's tectonic plates move away from each other, causing cracks in the Earth's surface. And the water goes down and is superheated by the magma, and can shoot back up in a volcano of water. So, why these vents are important in the first place is really because they sort of make life possible in the deep ocean. So, why this is possible is through chemosynthesis, and the organisms capable of creating chemosynthesis are bacteria, and these bacteria can take the minerals released by the vents and transform them into food and energy for other organisms, and such as tube worms or crabs, and they form a symbiotic relationship. But with this said, as these vents are just formed within the tectonic plates, it's important to realize that they're short-lived. So this is a question of what happens to dead or inactive hydrothermal vents. And the center of this discussion, as well as the beginning and end of this discussion, really is on microbial succession as bacteria move throughout hydrothermal vents as they go from active to inactive.
Okay, data. We use biosynthesis methods, which is identifying tags found in the bacteria protein, and this is really specific for these kind of bacteria living in the deep ocean bioecosystem. And those bacteria are really good at breaking chemical cycles involving sulfides, nitrogen, and iron. And the good way to analyze the data was using epsilon proteobacteria, because almost absent because inactive venting, and they provide the data that let us to analyze the way to explain everything. So this is the summary of all data we found from the article, and this slide is a name of samples. These are the abundancy or number of elements found from each sample, and these all 5 sections are bacteria types. This is some visual representation of concentration of each bacteria in each sample, and see this color is epsilon bacteria, and they're all not seen on the colors. There's only a small portion in each graph, but they're all absent. And beta proteobacteria are really abundant in samples 3 and 33, and most of the alpha proteobacteria and gamma proteobacteria, which is yellow and blue, they're really abundant from most of the time.
This quote basically summarizes what was found with some of the data that we found. And what's really important here is that bacteria found in inactive vents are absent in active vents, and bacteria found in active vents are absent in inactive vents. And this is important when looking at the idea of microbial succession and what happens as these vents go from active to inactive. As we said before, these findings support the idea of microbial succession, and this is displayed through certain stages in which this occurs. And the first stage is disturbance, when active vents go to inactive vents, and this results in the death of bacteria that live and thrive on the active vents. And then occurs migration, and these are the inactive vent bacteria moving into the inactive vent site. And this really, to summarize this idea of microbial succession and what this can lead to, is that bacteria around inactive has become more diverse. Greater diversity of larger animals on a larger scale could occur by these hydrothermal dead deep ocean environments.
Concluded, and I found most interesting that nothing is going to happen under the ocean, and we don't know what really happens. And this article explained me this things, and the ecosystem is not static but constantly changing from active bands to inactive bands, and the disturbance between active bands and inactive bands provide new species we didn't have a chance to know before, and those act as fertilization to reach the ecological succession for future times. And also, like during this disturbance, the nutrition available or change dramatically. So that gives a chance for other organisms to provide, especially for bacteria, they cycling new chemical substances, and this can make other organisms related to those bacteria to grow more diverse with more like different available chemical types, and that's due to new fundamental. It has foundation for new food web and good relationship with other organisms. And nature is balanced by extinction and arising of new species, and this case can be viewed on the rise for this species. What are our literature findings? The top one is our main article. Other sources. Thank you for watching.